In this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to build a landing page without navigation on Squarespace. A use case for this would be any sort of sales page or any page that you'd land on from, let's say, a Google ad or a Meta ad. You don't want people to navigate away to other parts of the site. You want them to stick on this landing page and do whatever the CTA is. So let's show you how to do it now. On our site here, we need to go into Pages. And then you probably want to add this into the not linked section. So we click plus, and then for the sake of this video, what I'm going to do is just use a template. So page layouts, you can start from blank, by the way, you can just add a blank page in here. But what I'll do is let's go for, we'll do general. I'm not trying to give you a style course here. So we'll use this, and then we'll just say landing page. If I could type landing page example, and then what I'll do is I'll go into edit and we'll just put a few more bits and bobs in. So add a section, and then we'll wait for that to load. We'll just pop this in at the top, and then go to gallery, and maybe I'll just show you the CTA. So let's imagine this is a landing page for a soccer academy. So we'll say something like join our academy. And then, blah, 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 add a block, button, and then the call to action will be something like book a slot now. And then we'd just link this. Usually it would be, let's say in this example, it would be an external link. You could, however, use something like Calendly, Acuity, a ticketing platform, whatever you want. So we'd attach a link. We'll just use Google for now. And then you just want to make sure that opens up in a new tab. If you're going to do it to an internal page, so a page on your site, then what you'd do is you'd do /, you'd find the page, let's just go for projects, and if it's internal, you don't want to link it in a new tab. So that's in, we've got the book a slot, world's best sales page has been built. Now, let's say, so if I exit and we just go into the preview, let's say we've got this lovely landing page. I say lovely with a pinch of salt, but you've got this sales page. It tells the user all about what's going on, but you've got your site title and you've got normal navigation. Now, on a sales page, you do not want the normal navigation. You don't want to take the visitor's attention anywhere else except for the content on the page. You want to guide them on that journey, and you want to make sure that they take the action that you've optimized the page for. So what do? Well, we remove the header and we remove the footer navigation. So to do that, we click the cog, then we click on navigation, and it's as easy as just untoggling both of these, and then boom, we've got our sales page. There's no way out. You've got to scroll down, and there we go. It's honestly so easy. You saw it took me 2 minutes to put that together. So if you want to build lots and lots of different sales pages, maybe you want to A/B test them, all you need to do then is we'll call that landing page example 1, and then just hit save quickly, and then all you need to do is go back into the settings and duplicate, and we would call that landing page example 2, and then you can carry on doing the same thing. The navigation stays hidden if you duplicate that page. So that is how you set up your landing pages on Squarespace with no navigation. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.